My dog's retarded. When you wiggle this fence post, it squeaks in the wall, and she thinks there's a mouse, so she attacks this wall. Ha ha ha.